What up, this your boy Rico, back with another one. I know I haven't put out a video in about like, I'll say a week or so. If you follow me on Instagram, you guys would know I was having cooling issues. I made a port for the thermostat housing, then for the rear of the head to block off the heater hose, but I was getting issues. They was popping off, wasn't holding, but we got those issues fixed. So now, we can bleed the coolant, do whatever. But also, you guys know, if you look back in one of my videos, my K-Tune traction bar, you guys would know how I already hate that traction bar right now. Somebody texting me right now. I don't know who that is. But yeah, had to swipe that out the way. But we finna do an unboxing. You guys already know how I wanted to get rid of that traction bar. I hated it. I hit everything. No matter if I go sideways a little bit, like I damn near have to go at a complete slant, like level with an incline to not scrape on anything. That's the K-Tune traction bar. I know Full Race traction bar is shaped and designed just like the K-Tune one, but the Full Race traction bar have like another piece that goes under to support it, so it's not just supporting on the three little bolts inside the frame, But we have a EF parts traction bar here today. We're gonna do an unboxing. Here's the box right here. So let's check it out and see how it looks. A little razor blade. Make sure I don't cut myself. We don't want none of that happening, right? Okay, let's see how this bad boy look. Oh, stickers. Nice, loving the stickers. We'll most definitely have to rep the EF parts. We have the box right here. I don't know what is this. Oh, this is a bracket. Like a throttle cable bracket. That's nice. I like that touch up. Wasn't expecting that at all. Quality too, thick, real nice. Here it look like we have the hardware, which I also wasn't expecting. I think this might be, yeah, some hardware. I was thinking, when I said hardware, I was thinking like the bolts that go into the chassis, but yeah, this is for the adjustable arms, spherical bearings right here, which is nice quality. You guys can see, real good stuff. Solid bolts, solid nuts. Set that to the side. Right here, we cut the tape. I forgot the name of these rods right here, though, but we just gonna call them the adjustable rods. I'm pretty sure that's what these are right here. Cut this. Oh man, this is some good stuff. Solid. I mean, really solid. This is made in the US too. Really good stuff. Really good quality. There. And this is like some extra component. And we have right here, we have the traction bar itself. And oh my gosh, hold on. Let me move this box out the way. this, let me make sure you guys can see this right. Now this is what I call a traction bar. Oh my gosh, this is real nice. I like this a lot. Oh yes, the ground clearance is, I can already tell just by the design, is a lot better, way better. This is a lot beefier. On the K-Tune traction bar, I have right now, from what I know, my experience, and my CRX don't weigh that much. If I put the jack directly in the middle and try to lift the car up, you can see the bar starts bending. I don't know, but just off this right here, just the quality of this traction bar is nice. Hands down, EF Parts traction bar for the win. This is real nice. I'm liking this a lot. I thought I was gonna have an issue with this area right here where my radiator sits, but ain't finna have an issue right there at all. It will most definitely clear. So this right here was just an unboxing of the EF Parts traction bar. Do I recommend this traction bar? Yes, I do. Stickers, quality, I love it. This is real nice stuff. So go check EF Parts out. He sells a lot of stuff for EFs in general, from 88 all the way to 91. Anything EF you need, EF Parts got you covered. So this is just a unboxing video. Love the traction bar. I haven't seen no other unboxing of this traction bar on YouTube yet, so this is the first. So do I recommend it? Like I said, yes, it's a good traction bar, real good quality. It's gonna help me out a lot. Go pick you up one. Next video, we'll be doing an install of this traction bar, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Rate, comment, subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.